Greetings everyone and welcome back to Investing Guide, your reliable guide on everything going on in the world of cryptocurrencies. Today's video is brought to you by BitLevX, smart crypto options trading for everyone. Cardano seems to be one of the most promising coins in the crypto markets, having risen to fame seemingly out of nowhere. Despite the amount of doubt that the coin has received over its lifespan, Cardano's never failed to wow the masses with its uptrend moving and its successful take on the third spot in the crypto market, surpassing its rivals like Binance Coin in the heat, surprisingly amassing a market cap of $81 billion. Cardano's rise up the charts and successful uptrend might have been unexpected for many. Even though it had a pretty harsh crash back in 2018, the crypto has taken the media by surprise, leaving most big names in the crypto world in shock. As of 2021, in September, Cardano has a valued price range of around $2.45. And so, which isn't that far off what the expectation is for Cardano and why you guys are watching this video currently. Taking into account the uptrend movement of Cardano as it has risen to a top price of $2 and above, join us as we discuss what it would take and why it's most likely that Cardano will surge up to a price of $5. Get your seatbelts buckled up and make sure to watch this video until the end, as we've done some interesting data mining and may have found the major key information that could push Cardano's price to $5 and even more. If you find this video interesting and have developed a liking for cryptocurrencies, then hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, as we're always making new, relevant, and well-analyzed content on this channel. And you're not going to want to miss out on the hottest topics flowing in the crypto markets while it's still warm. And also, don't forget to like the video if you enjoy watching it. To quickly answer your question without any delays, it's a known fact that altcoins are more volatile compared to Bitcoin, especially in a bullish market. That said, Cardano's has been on an upward trend this past year, thanks to various incidents that have played a major or minor role in determining its value in the markets. Most of these incidents, which are widely known to the public, will be how big companies and institutions show their support for the coin, some being Tesla and Binance and Nasdaq. Even much bigger names in the industry have shown interest in the coin. With all these little details influencing the value of Cardano while rising its stakes, Cardano seemed to have pulled off its special card after the inception of the Hydra Upgrade, as it skyrocketed the value of the coin to newer heights, and even once it had touched the $3 mark, it's not even been far off from the expected $5 mark. To be basic in terms, another breakthrough upgrade like the coming Hydra second layer upgrade will be the key to pushing Cardano to new heights, and that might not be needed necessarily for Cardano, as of now, to hit $5. All it takes is the sway of the public and the wit of its users. Now here's the major news about the Hydra Upgrade. With the inception of smart contracts through the Alonzo update, Charles Hoskinson, creator of Cardano, basically skyrocketed his coin to the skies and had the news media buzzing about it, like the Forbes, who raved about how the new upgrade let ADA touch new heights and prices like never seen before. This was a great reaction from the public, as it definitely helped them access and control their transactions with Cardano much more effectively, so you can see why it was such an important upgrade. Now already taking over the crypto markets with a price tag of $2 and above, saying that Cardano might hit the $5 mark is not that far-fetched. Rather, it would be to look above at much further this coin can go. If the Alonzo upgrade can cause such a rapidly stimulated growth for Cardano, then an upcoming upgrade, including the roadmap for Cardano, named Hydra, could definitely cause a leap far up the charts for the coin, even possibly surpassing Ethereum, its born rival. For those who don't know what the Hydra upgrade is, or what it's all about, or don't think it's neither now, it basically helps boost the speed of transactions taking place by 100 times. That's to say, up to 1 million transactions could be carried out in a second. Already, the first layer of this upgrade is successfully launched, and they're anticipating the second layer to be launched in 2021 or 2022. So it's an upgrade that could land the decisive blow needed to attain the set price of $5 and even more. It kind of also puts into perspective when to expect Cardano to reach the price that has been set. That is, being the next layer of Hydra, which is coming into play as expected within the next 2 years. Cardano can be predicted to hit a price of $5 and above within this time. Still, it would be pure speculation, as the majority in the public also plays a huge role in how valuable a coin can become. This video is sponsored by BitLevX. Predict the future prices of cryptocurrencies and other asset classes to maximize your profits. No rocket science. This is BitLiveX. Link at the top of the description. Going back, what we can see from this is how the public, market type, and newer updates can completely change the future of crypto in the market, but the question remains though, what would push Cardano to $2 and $3 and then hit that $5 mark? And speculatively, when? Well, Cardano's predictions are already being made and arguments on this topic have risen as well. On the 2nd of September, Charles Boviard from Forbes wrote an article that mentioned the possible future for Cardano and where it will most likely go based on experts' predictions. He covered predictions like ones made by Kiana Daniel, CEO of InvestDiva, who predicted Cardano reaching $3.24 soon if it kept its uptrend. Other predictions covered by Forbes have had similar predictions for ADA reaching a new height of $3 and two figures above, like William Noble and Jack Wojcicki, who analyzed where Cardano may be headed. Ananthi Rita for CoinQuora worked out the math for Cardano and concluded the possibility of ADA reaching $7 to $10 by the end of the year or further down the line if it continues its upward trend movement. Other news sites like Cardano Feed and more discussed the possibility of Cardano hitting $10 this year's end, and more or less agree that on an upscale movement, this is highly attainable. It would depend largely though on the sway of the public as I discussed. Well, I've already stated now that it's all depending on the influence of the current society, and modern society tends to flock to what they would benefit from the most, or at least gain the most from. As said, Cardano would have to be one of the choices for people looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. It would have to present itself as the best option possible, or at least as a backup plan for investors who do a variety of investments and aren't tied down to one coin. In comparison to when Cardano started, it gave the majority of the public a turn-off due to the fact that it functioned quite differently and would require users to learn a whole different set of programming languages compared to the ones that were used by other coins. That was a huge hindrance for Cardano as it pushed the public back, but it got that issue settled and just in time for the coin to pick up on its pace with others. Now Cardano is arguably the safest coin, with the highest affordability both in price and energy cost. As the public's sway on the coin can make the coin more valuable, Cardano would stand a great chance of attracting attention due to the fact that it's not only one of the most eco-friendly coins in terms of mining, but it's also one of the coins with the lowest prices, which is very appealing for most investors. Other factors arise from the scarcity of the coin. That's right, the lesser the number of coins out there, the higher the value. Or, to be plainer, the majority of coins in circulation are owned by civilians, being Cardano, which gives them full control over what's happening to their coins, which is precious to investors. That means most ADA is locked up, making the coin a lot scarcer to mine. It's pretty clear that with all this information that Cardano is promising with the coin, that it could take the masses by surprise one day and surpass all its doubts and expectations. It might even pull legend to reality, already being dubbed as the Ethereum killer, and surpass Ethereum on the charts. It's quite an interesting coin to be looking into. Here's a fun fact. Did you know the Hydra has been in development for 5 years before being launched? That's right, as Charles Hoskinson already had the roadmap for Cardano planned out, it seems preparations had started a very long time ago. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think about today's topic, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you liked and enjoyed the video. And also check out one of the videos on your screen. See you there!